Alright y'all, I'm super duper excited for this video because we are back with another makeup tutorial, and today I'm going to be using some brand new products, and I'm just super duper excited to try these out. I've been eyeballing these products for a while now, so I'm just excited to jump right on in. But before we get started on this video, if you guys want to know how I achieved these eyebrows and want to know step by step how to fill in your eyebrows and what mistakes you want to avoid when filling in your eyebrows, definitely make sure you check out the description box down below and the tags. I am going to link that video to this video, but we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids with the Juvia's Place Prep and Prime Eye Primer, and this is in the shade number 2. I really have been enjoying using this primer lately. I just picked it up not too long ago, and if you are looking for an eye primer that is affordable and lasts long, I would definitely pick this one up. And a little bit does go a long way with this product, so I'm going to put half of this on the other eyelid as well, and I'm just going to use patting motions to actually blend this out all over the eyelid. Ooh, just look at that creamy consistency, and that's what I love about this product. It's nice and smooth and thick. It's going to really allow your eyeshadows to be able to stick to the eyelid. So now that we have our base on and ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and jump into eyeshadow. And today I'm going to be using the Beats by Deb Cosmetics Color for Days eyeshadow palette. I'm super duper excited, you guys. If you have not heard of Beats by Deb, she is thebomb.com. Definitely go ahead and check her out. She has amazing tutorials, and this is one of her eyeshadow palettes. Just look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh, y'all can see all my business. But just look how beautiful this eyeshadow palette is. You have literally all of the colors of the rainbow, and I'm just super duper excited because I've been looking for a new palette that just has lots of vibrant colors, especially for the spring and summer season. So if you guys cannot already tell, we're definitely going to be doing a blue eyeshadow look today. Blue is my favorite color, so I'm definitely going to be testing out the color Cinderella, which is a nice light blue eyeshadow. It is about the same color as my shirt. I really haven't decided if I wanted to do a cut crease. I really don't know what type of eyeshadow look I want to do today, but I just know I want to play in this palette. So the first thing that I'm going to do is use the color True Blue. It is a nice deep ocean blue, and I'm going to be using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. This is the Essential Crease Eye Brush, but I'm not actually going to be using it in my crease. I'm going to be using this True Blue on the outer corner of the eye. And I'm essentially going to be kind of doing a no cut crease look. We're still going to have 3 colors that we're using in this look. So I'm going to take the fluffy eyeshadow brush and just pack the color True Blue on the outer corner of the eye. And I'm literally just packing that eyeshadow on. And with this eyeshadow, I'm not going past the arch of my eyebrow. So I'm literally just placing this eyeshadow on the outer corner, kind of like in a triangle shape on the outer corner of the eye. And I am bringing it inward some because we are going to blend this shade with the next color. Next, I'm going to be using the Real Techniques shading brush, and I'm going to take the color Cinderella, that beautiful light baby blue eyeshadow color, and I'm going to use packing motions again to place this color right in the middle of my eyelid. And you guys, it's the pigmentation for me with this eyeshadow palette. Like, these colors are definitely popping, and that's only 2 applications of color right there. And I'm basically bringing all of the colors up into my crease area where I would have put a transition color, but I'm just going to be blending all of these eyeshadows together. So I'm just taking that blue eyeshadow Cinderella and packing that on the middle portion of the eyelid. And then before I add the last color, I'm just gonna go in and just mix those two colors together. So I'm gonna go back into True Blue with the fluffy crease brush, and I'm just going to pack that on the outer corner and basically just marry these two colors together. So I'm just alternating between the same brushes so that way I can get a nice seamless blend. And now I'm gonna go into my 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. Y'all know it's not an eyeshadow tutorial if I do not grab this palette. But that just goes to show you, like, this palette can literally be used in any look. And I'm just gonna take that nice beige color at the top corner, and I'm gonna be using a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to pack that right on the inner corner. And I'm not gonna bring this color too far up because I really want the focus to be the blue. So I'm just going to be placing that on the inner corner, and I am bringing it over some so it overlaps with the blue so I can blend everything all together. And now I'm going back in with the same brush that we used for Cinderella so that way I can blend that into that cream shade. I'm gonna take a clean, fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna go across the top, and I'm just gonna use circular motions to blend out the harsh edges. And this is where we would have had a transition color, but I decided not to use one. So that's why we gotta go back in and make sure we blend out those harsh edges so that way it's not super duper obvious as to where the eyeshadow starts and stops. And then once I'm blending, I don't want to take it too far up because we don't want to get into our brow highlight area, but I do want to blend upward. Alright y'all, so now it's time for the fun part. I'm going to be using the Beats by Deb Everything Eyelash Glue, and I'm going to be using a little bit of glue. First, I'm going to place the glue basically right in the middle over top of Cinderella, and I'm just lightly applying the glue because I don't want to have a lot of glitter, but just enough to kind of accent the eyeshadows, but I still want you to be able to see the blend underneath. I'm going to take a small flat brush and grab a little bit of glitter, and we're just going to randomly place that all over the eyelid. Like I said, I don't want it to be clumped all over the eyelid. I just want a little bit of glitter to give us a little razzle dazzle. So I'm just packing that glitter on. And I'm mainly focusing the glitter on the color Cinderella and then on the nude shade as well. I'm gonna go back in with the Everything glue, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit in the inner corner. I'm going to take a different flat eyeshadow brush, and now I'm going to apply the silver glitter, and both of these glitters are from Beats by Deb's Cosmetics as well, you guys. Ooh, y'all, I just get excited when everything is just flowing. So yes, and this is just a cute, simple, this could definitely be a prom makeup look. So now I'm going to use the Mary Kay liquid waterproof eyeliner pen, and I'm just going to do a simple wing eyeliner today. And you guys, if you have not tried a felt tip eyeliner pen like this, I definitely would suggest it because it makes it super easy to actually do your wing eyeliner, especially if you are a beginner and new to wearing makeup. Alright y'all, so for primer, I use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. That is my ultimate favorite primer. And I did also follow up with that with the Mary Kay Oil Mattifier on my nose and my forehead, so that way we can take care of those oily zones. And today I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Sienna, the 24-hour foundation, and I'm just going to use a couple pumps of that on the face. And I'm going to be using the Real Techniques Instapot face brush to actually blend out the foundation, and I'm just patting that into my skin. So I can't just hop back up here with some videos without letting you guys in on what's been going on with me and why I've been a little MIA lately. So you guys, if you do follow me on my other social media pages, you may already know, but I am in cosmetology school currently. You guys, I'm just super duper excited for this journey. I finally feel like everything is coming full circle far as all of the things that I enjoy doing, such as YouTube, these beauty tutorials, doing makeup and hair for other people, styling people, doing photo shoots. So it just seems like everything that I love to do is finally coming full circle, and I'm super duper excited to be getting my cosmetology license. It's just been a journey thus far, and it's literally only been like a month maybe, but I've been learning so many different things. I've already been practicing with color, hair cutting, relaxing, roller setting, finger waving. I've been silk pressing, flexi rods. I literally have been doing it all lately in a matter of just a month and some change. So I really have been enjoying my journey thus far. I honestly did watch a couple of videos before I actually decided to go to cosmetology school of other people's experiences, and that kind of also helped me narrow down where I wanted to go to school to. So to highlight my face, I'm going to do my normal highlighting routine. I'm going to go in with the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in Walnut, and I'm going to place that underneath the eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my upper lip, and my forehead and my chin as well. And I am going to let the concealer sit for a little bit before I actually blend it all out. And the reason why I wanted to share that with you guys, just to kind of give you guys like a mini testimony. I was talking with my mom the other day, and she really helped me realize that this time last year I was getting ready for my college graduation, and I had a photo shoot coming up, and I was just stressed trying to find a makeup artist. And it's just so interesting how now I'm the actual makeup artist. I'm the hairstylist now, and a year ago this time I was the customer. So it's just amazing how God really will be moving, and you don't even realize things are moving in the direction that they need to be going for you. And just in spite of everything that I've been going through lately, I really am starting to see how God can use your pain to further your purpose. So y'all already know I am on a mission with my YouTube channel to really educate, empower, and encourage other women to take care of themselves and also look good, feel good while doing it at the same time. So I am just super duper excited for what this next step to my career in the fashion and beauty industry will take me. But definitely make sure that you check out my Instagram and my Facebook page and my TikTok. I will link everything down below so you guys can really get a feel for what I'm doing behind the scenes. And while that is sitting, I'm gonna actually use my Urban Decay All Nighter in Ultra Matte today to go ahead and just preset the face. So that way when I blend all of this out, it's gonna stay put exactly where I got it. And to blend out my concealer, I'm gonna be using the, oh my goodness, I can't even see. This is the medium shadow brush from Real Techniques. Even though this is the eyeshadow brush, I like to use it to blend out my concealer. And I'm just doing patting motions to actually blend that concealer out. And I just love how creamy this concealer is when it comes to blending it out. It just blends out so effortlessly. So back to the motivation, you guys. Y'all already know I say it all the time. Like, you got to have patience. And when I'm talking to y'all, I'm talking to myself too. Like, I'm really finally understanding what it means to trust God and his timing, and to know that everything is gonna work out. Like, it may not look like it's gonna work out. And you guys, even though I'm walking into this new journey of being in cosmetology school, I'm still low-key in the back of my mind like, oh my gosh, how long is it gonna take me to learn this hairstyle, this technique? How long is it, you know, still worrying a little bit, but I'm learning day by day that you really just gotta cast all your cares on God, because he cared for us, that he want to make sure we good. So I'm just taking it day by day, and I'm just super duper excited for all the things that I have been learning. And I've been loving my school because we've also been getting one-on-one classes from other beauty professionals. For example, we did to have a class from a chi instructor. So that's just to give you guys a little bit of tea of how bomb my school is that I go to. But I've just been loving the experience because, like I said, we get to do online and in person. We get to go over theory, and we also get to do a lot of hands-on. And the hands-on part is what I really love, because I am a hands-on visual learner. I learn the best when I work with my hands versus just reading something in a chapter, memorizing a couple of words and stuff like that. So I really have been enjoying the learning style of my class as well. And you guys, it just seems like doors have been opening since I've been posting about me going to class. Like, I've been having people reach out to me more often when it comes to doing their makeup and to get their hair done as well. So you guys, it's just when you walk into your purpose, everything just starts to flow. It just starts to flow, y'all. It starts to flow. For the lips, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to go in with my Mary Kay lip liner in the shade Deep Nude. And I'm going to go ahead and just outline my lips. Alright y'all, so here are the final results of this prom inspired glitter makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this beginner friendly makeup tutorial and definitely learned something new. And I also hope you guys were encouraged and inspired by my testimony in this video as well. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop me a comment below of your thoughts on this makeup look. And of course, as always, I hope you guys remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.